Welcome friends, you are watching your on YouTube channel YT Pharmacist. In this video, we learn about cholecalciferol granules or cholecalciferol powder. Cholecalciferol is also known as vitamin D3. Cholecalciferol is a type of vitamin D which is made by skin when exposed to sunlight, and it is also found in some foods and can be taken as a dietary supplement. Cholecalciferol is responsible to strengthen bone and growth of bone and also maintain the level of calcium. Daily requirement of cholecalciferol is 10 microgram, that is 400 IU. But when cholecalciferol requirement is not fulfilled by food or a person is not enough exposed to sunlight, in this condition cholecalciferol is given by external source such as in tablet form, granule form, syrup form or capsule form. Here we discuss about cholecalciferol granules. Cholecalciferol is a generic name or chemical name of drug. When we purchase it from medical store, it is available by its brand name. The popular brand name which are available worldwide are Calcirol granules, Divion granules, Difil granules, Sipcal D3 granules, Calcikind granules, and Bio D3 granules with many other, and it may be found in area by the name because brand name are different according to area and doctor choice. You can purchase any of the brand which is easily available and having affordable price. Cholecalciferol granules uses in which disease doctor advise these granules. It is mainly used to treat vitamin D3 deficiency, means the lack of vitamin D in our body, due to which bone related problems occur such as osteomalacia, osteoporosis and rickets with many other. Osteomalacia is a condition where bone becomes soft and weak. Bone can bend and break more easily than normal. Next is osteoporosis. It is a condition in which bone becomes weak and brittle and bone fracture is more common. And another is rickets. It is more common in children. The symptoms are softening and weakening of bone because lack of calcium and phosphorus level in bone, due to which children are not able to stand. Calcium deficiency may lead to tooth and tooth bone weakness, and also patient feel weakness and pain in his body. In all these conditions, in all these problems, cholecalciferol granules are useful and given by doctor. This granules is also useful for the pregnant woman if she has lack of calcium and lack of calcium absorption, due to which calcium deficiency may occur in both children and mother. And if a person suffers from hypoparathyroidism, in which his blood calcium level is decreased, and to maintain blood calcium level, this granule is given by doctor. And apart from all these uses, doctor can advise you this granules in any other disease according to his experience. Cholecalciferol granules side effects. What are the undesirable effects which may seen during its use? The common side effects are chest pain, breathing related problem, increased urine output, behavioral changes, angry behavior, headache, sleepiness, dry mouth, and abdominal pain with many other. If you are experiencing these or other than these undesirable effects, stop using this granule immediately and consult your doctor for further treatment. Cholecalciferol granules doses how to take for good result. The dose of a drug is depend upon patient age, weight, and severity of disease, but the common recommended dose is 1 sachet of 1 gram given once a week with milk. 1 gram of sachet contains 60,000 IU cholecalciferol, and here IU is stand for measurement unit. This sachet should be dissolved in 1 cup of milk and drink, and if any person cannot drink milk, he can take it with a cup of water, and can be taken both the time before meal or after the meal as per your doctor advice. The range of dose of cholecalciferol granule is 400 IU to 1 lakh IU, and in few cases it can be given on daily basis. All are depends upon patient condition and patient need. Always take this granule as your doctor advice, because if you take it more than your doctor advice or your need, it may lead to overdose and you may face many problems which is its overdose effects, that are headache, sleepiness, dry mouth, nausea and vomiting, diarrhea, body ache, metallic taste in mouth, loss of interest in sex, that is loss of libido, abdominal pain, weight loss and increased heart rate with many other. That's why always follow your doctor instruction when you are taking any kind of medicine. So friends, this was a general information about cholecalciferol granules. I hope you got a lot of new information from this video and like this video. If you like this video, press like button and share it to friends and family members. And still run subscribe on YouTube channel YT Pharmacist. Subscribe by pressing below red button and click on bell icon for further notification. Thank you friends, take care and be careful with medicine uses.